like Doritos. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, I cut myself. Ooh. If you're watching Daily Race, say hey. All right now, I'm just taking out my wig cap and getting ready to put it on. And as you see, I'm showing y'all that, oh shoot, and then I didn't drop the thing. I'm showing y'all that they make wig caps for darker complected people, so y'all ain't gotta put all that makeup on that clear one. Nobody got time for that. Some got to be glue, of course. I don't know what I'm looking for, honey. Find it. Did you find it? And she didn't find it. And gonna keep going like she did. Okay. All right. We getting started. Why y'all be doing this? Y'all look like y'all trying to rob from every bank. From every... Come on now. Look at this. Oh, no. Come on. I'm looking like Miss Puff from SpongeBob. Girl, Becca. Let it go. Help us out, Lord. And she praying mantis. Hot mess. Can't even see. My eyelashes is smushing together. How do y'all do this? I don't understand. First layer. Dripping. I do want to say I am not talking like this the whole video. I just didn't say anything because I had just put my daughter to sleep and I did not want her to wake up. So I had to give it a second. So I do apologize for the voiceover at this moment. Couldn't find my blow dryer. So we had to fan it with the wig cap pack. Wig cap pack. Snatch and snatch back. She wanna dive in it. Snatched. Hot mess. And that's enough of that foolishness, baby. Y'all, I can't see for nothing. I don't even know how people be doing this. This is crazy. I now see why it is necessary to cut holes for your eyes. Y'all, I just seen this. Okay, and then it's all busted, disgusted, or just plain clumped out up in here. Y'all see this part? Hold on. So we're gonna do another layer up in here. Y'all know I already got a little forehead, so I don't know where I think all this is going. So what I did was got a cap that's already my color. I don't understand why people, they know they make caps in like 100 different colors. Why y'all be having a clear one and then customize it. Maybe it's cheaper, but then customize it to color, because where I've sprayed it in the mirror, it's like literally the same as my skin. So I don't understand. What in the blank, man? Yeah. Well, y'all got us out here playing cops and robbers to put on a wig. Y'all, and this is an old wig that I've already had. And when I tell you, this is for practicing purposes. Look at it. It's not bad, but it could be a lot better. Y'all, this stuff is in my eyes. I can't see. My eyes can't see. But it could be better. I don't even know. I don't even know what my brush is. Y'all, this is just crazy. Like, the stuff we do to think we cute. We're gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay. Because at this point, it's giving skin. It's giving flesh. Like, this don't match my face. Say it don't. Say it don't. Because if you say you don't, it'll. If you say you don't, then you lying. Do you lie? This is the same exact color as my face. Look at this. Look at this. It's giving skin. And on camera, it's not giving as much skin. Okay, I'm gonna do one more layer. And then I'm gonna brush it back. My finger. Yeah, this is about to be a hot, funky mess. I cannot refill. Let me let this dry, then I'll be back. As y'all can see, it ripped up to the great heavens. But I'm finna start. I'm gonna slice down a little while it's still kind of drying because I'm not using a blow dryer. Yeah, I feel like I look the ultimate crazy right now. Like, what are you even doing? Like, what are you even doing? What do you do with the back part? You just let it do what it do? Like, what do you do with that? Because, I don't know. Listen, it's about to do what it do anyway. Like, what do you do with this? What do you do with the back part of the cap? You just leave it capping? We're going to put it in a ponytail. What do you do with the back part of the cap? Anybody know? So, it's giving ponytail. Because I don't know what you do with the back part of the cap. Okay. Don't you start cutting in the middle, right? You cut in the middle. That don't look right at all. This don't look right already. Am I doing something wrong? And then this still up under my ear. Okay. Yeah, this not looking too good already. This is looking like I did it myself. Yeah, and I ain't never even got a wig installed on top of that. So this is like just thinking I'm a hairstylist. So I'm pretty sure I don't want it to be on my eyebrow. So how do we get that off? What do we do there? What do we do there? Oh, okay. We doing that there. Oh, hold on, was that my hair? Oh my God. Oh, girl, I thought that was my hair. Okay, so now when this part roll up like that, how is it supposed to stay? What are you supposed to do then? I have so many questions that nobody's answering. I just want to try. Okay. And then this is a 4x4 wig, so I don't even need all this stuff on the side. So what is it doing? So how do I cut? So my hairline is like up here. How am I supposed to cut? Because I don't want my wig. Somebody help me. I'm so stressed. This is what you get for trying to do it by yourself. Let me speed up this while I cut this a little bit. At this point, is this even cap? Like, what is that? Like, can y'all see this big old gap right here? Like, this is no longer cap. It's just glued down. So what do I do there? Like, I think I messed this up. Is this why people be doing this 2 times? Like, they put 2 caps on because they failures? Or they mess something up? So I'm just going to shave down like this on the part I'm not sure about. Is that the wrong thing to do? Should shave it down like this? I'm not sure. It might be the wrong thing to do. Okay, so that's cap. Wait, can you do the same thing? Is that gonna keep you from lifting crazy? Oh, so that's the smart thing to do. Y'all, this is kind of dull, so I'm not gonna cut myself. I'm not. Okay, so what we do with this old crusty, dusty looking side? Because I'm about to just shave down like this, like I did everywhere else. So now, with that being down, I'm going to spray another layer to hold it down. Because I think that's what y'all be doing. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, I cut myself. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to fail. Oh, I cut myself. That burned. Oh, that's alcohol. That's alcohol in that. That's alcohol in that. Yeah, that's alcohol. That first ingredient is alcohol. Alcohol in that. Oh, oh. That burnt. I almost lost my whole little life over some burning. Okay. And then we're going to take the back of this and we're going to push down. Right. Am I doing this right? It's almost looking normal-ish. Okay. Oh, I cut a lot of stuff. Oh, Lord. Oh, I cut more than I had thought I did. Oh, don't do this. Oh, no. Oh, girl, that is crazy. You try to, how people be shaving their face? Yeah, I cut a lot of my skin off. Don't use a razor like this and go straight down. It's flipped over. Y'all see that? I'm just trying to. This is giving Hot Mess Express. Okay. Pause. Now here is the monstrosity we are applying. It's not horrible, but it's not great. It's been around for some years. You know, she thinning at the top a little bit. She a little crunchy. I know y'all hear her like Doritos, but it's fine. I got hot comb the first. Okay, so this will be. This has something I really can't. Okay. So we need to put it down in the back. Make sure the clips are down. Do y'all use the clips when y'all do a wig? It's definitely giving a ball to. Oh, this hair is greasy. So it clearly needs to be washed, like I said, for installation purposes. Learning how to installate is what I'm using. So we're going for a middle part here. She don't need that much work. Okay, so y'all know how hard this is to do with glasses off and then trying to perfect and correct the mistakes. And I'm not a baby hair person, but I be feeling like y'all be doing that because, see, I don't know if y'all can see it's kind of balding at the top or I over bleached it, but whatever. So let's install. So 4x4 here to here. So we're gonna spray. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. It's just gonna, okay. It's gonna run all down my, okay. So I'm spraying too much, apparently. I'm about to have, on the plus side, when you burn yourself, the second layer is not as bad. I mean, it's still burning. Don't get me wrong. It's still burning. Yeah, but like, why is it all the way down there? Like, my forehead, I don't want it down there. I want it just up here. So, here's the problem with Got to Be. Every time you get it wet, it comes up. So, I'm about to pull this wig down and try to put the comb in right here over this part that's glued. It's not okay. That's a comb in right there. Don't have Spock ears, but whatever. And then we're gonna try to put a comb in over here. So that's definitely too much cap. And then we're going to pull it right there, hold in the middle, and comb backwards. Right? We comb it backwards. And we put it down, and then we're going to hold right here again. Okay, so hold, come back, 3, it's a 4x4, remind you, 4x4, so we don't gotta go all the way across. We're just gonna, y'all, look at this, drying on the side of my face. Look at this. Does that mean too much? That might be too much. Okay. Now I see why y'all be using the baby hair, because y'all don't bleach y'all knots. Because I bleached the knots on this wig a couple years ago. And it's doing all right. And I'm not tying it down with no thing. Because there's not that much lace that needs to be held down. I'm going to use a regular headband thing. I just need this front piece. So like, okay, y'all can talk about me if y'all want to, but them things give me a headache in 2.5. I'm not doing it to myself. So I'm going to use this good old thing right here. I just need this part to lay down right here. That's the main candidate. While we're waiting on that, let me wash all this off my face. Baby wipe. It all does the same thing, okay? Y'all be going to press the issue so hard between the difference of it. Look at this. Oh, stealth. Oh, so this wig didn't slid back and the cap. Didn't even realize. Okay. So forget the baby here. What we're gonna do on this monstrosity is bring back in the middle part and call it a day. Is that okay with everybody else? Because it's okay with me. So we're gonna go from back here. Yeah, even though this is, so if y'all haven't seen my initial review on this wig from like a year ago, this is the Beaudiva hair, 24-inch, and I did add in 2 tracks of 33. To give it a little highlight. I don't know if y'all can see that, but to give a little highlight, and it's doing what I need to do. So I'm gonna brush this flat. Mind you, this is it's not giving middle, it's giving middle side. 1 second. This is more middle-ish. Y'all, you want these parts to be so daggone straight, it make your hair look more unnatural when you part too straight, like how mine do. The other part looked more like a part than this, but okay. So on the plus side, this is no hot comb, no flat iron, just what it is. Take a little bit of wax, pull these flyaways down, back with the brush. Y'all, mind y'all, this is my first time doing this with a cap. So, by the grace of God, we made it. But we made it. And we made it. This is without baby hair because I don't want my baby hair anyway. I tried it and the baby hair didn't like me neither. So it's that simple. I put a little bit of oil sheen on this little crusty hair so we can have a little bit of life. And then I'm gonna take it right here like that and make it bigger at the top. Flip it back a little bit. Y'all, we got a wig install. And we talking flat Beaudiva. This is how this wig. No, this is not how this wig came. I was finna sit there and tell the whole story. Cause when I first got this wig, I had to flat iron it in that video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch. Link is in the description down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that doom, 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 all that doom. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All that doom, 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 all that doom, doom, doom. If you watch it, then say hey.